You called her a barrel with legs after she put weight on. And you know why she put weight on? Because she was menopausal, that's why! It wasn't a choice! So after she's flogged her ovaries to death having your kids, these tiny little life-giving organs have turned on her! The weight gain is the least of her problems. Because there's the hot flushes that can make her look like she's just got out of the shower having washed her hair but hasn't towelled it off yet. Gorgeous! And while you're snoring your head off at 3 a.m, she is staring at the ceiling locked into some sort of Arctic insomnia! I would say it's one of the circles of hell, but it's way too cold for that!